Hi, this is Brian. I'm Karan from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. Basically downtown on the Lower East Side in a townhouse, and I'm doing the floor plan, reflected ceiling plan, electrical plan for just the lower level of this townhouse. For the interior designer, they're going to be doing some work down here. So I figured I'd briefly show you around a little bit. So like I said, this is the lower garden level. There's a lower level from here. That's up to the entrance, and then they have more living space on the next floor up. So that's what I'm working on today. Like I said, just figured I'd show you briefly around. If you're ever in need of existing conditions drawings, whether it's in the city, in the Hamptons, upstate, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video, and have a fantastic day.